Taylor Gold fashion show. That's a beautiful dress. What did it say on it? Purplicious. Turn around. Shake your tushy. Okay, next outfit. Go. Beat it. Next outfit. Here she is with outfit number 2. Taylor Gold. Trying on the latest summer fashion. Spin around. Shake the tushy. That's a beautiful outfit, T. Do you like that one?
Yeah.
That's funky. It's got butterflies on it. That's awesome. Okay, beat it. Next outfit. Number 3, Taylor Gold. Latest summer fashion. Those are cool shorts. What does your shirt say?
Okay, Taylor.
Let me see some of your moves. Show me some moves.
No.
Show me some moves. Okay, turn around and shake the tushy. See ya. Next outfit, number 4, Taylor Gold. What's that a picture of? Oh, that one says love with a heart and a peace sign. Cool shorts. Let's zoom in. What are you showing me? Okay, turn around. Shake the tushy. That's a beautiful outfit, T. I love it.
All right, Steve, come here, last one.
Okay, beat it. Next outfit. Yeah. Whoa, that is super cool. It says Rock Lives.
Look at this one.
Brooke has that one?
Yes.
I love it.
She also got these tank tops too.
Very cool. T, you have beautiful clothes now for our trip. When are we going on vacation? In 2 weeks? Where are we going?
Wait, come on, take them off.
What are we going to do there?
Play.
Where are we going to play? On the beach?
At the beach.
In the pool?
In the pool.
Are we going to have some fun?
Yeah.
Does it snow in Punta Cana?
No.
Boo, snow.
Boo, snow.
Is it cold in Punta Cana?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
It's hot and sunny in Punta Cana.
Yeah.
No jackets in Punta Cana.
You know this game, right?
Okay. Say bye-bye.
So
Bye.